everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is a follow-up video for a unboxing I did a couple of days ago. The Beauty Bay guest list makeup box. This is the outer packaging. And a few of you have asked me to do a video testing out all the products, so I'm looking pretty barefaced. I've got my foundation, my concealer, setting powder, bit of bronzer going on, and everything else I'll be using in this box. If you haven't already seen my unboxing video, then I'll pop it down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. But this box costs £50 and it has a value of £143 or £142, and it contains 13 full-size makeup products. Okay, so first up, my brows. I'm going to be using Sample Beauty. This is a brow gel. My eyebrows are microbladed. If you saw me before I had my brows done, if you saw any of my makeup videos, etc., you would have seen how thin my eyebrows are. Very, very patchy, just a tiny, tiny bit of fluff on the outer corners of my eyes. They've created quite a bold eyebrow look, which I really love, but it's still a little bit too dark. It is about 6 to 8 weeks now since I last had my top up, so I'm not going to go back anymore now until I need it done again. But it's a little bit dark. When I've got my hair up off my face, quite bold makeup, it looks gorgeous, but without makeup I just look a little bit too harsh. It's just too dark for me. That's what it looks like. In my last video I said that it looks literally like glue, so we'll see. Look, it's turning my brows white as well. I'm assuming though that will just dry down. Just like an... Oh my word! Oh my word! This is solid. So if you are after the laminated effect, I think this would be fab. Absolutely fab. What I'm noticing even before I do this eyebrow, that this one is looking a little bit cakey. Not good, not good. Oh, I'm gonna have to do the other eye. Maybe the trick is to apply this fast and then stop touching it. It is great for sticking eyebrows down, but it looks a bit odd. It looks like where my eyebrows are shaded in, it's turned them a little bit grey looking. Can you see? And my natural eyebrows just look like they're a little bit wet. I'm going to have to play around with that. I love the fact that it's really strong holding. That is the type of brow gel I go for, but I don't like the fact that it is white. I prefer if it was clear. It feels like I've stuck my brows down with glue. So yeah, a bit on the fence with that one. Now on to BH Cosmetics, and this is the Flower Power blusher. So there's 4 shades in total. I'm going to go for Psychedelic up the top there. Look at the brush. There. Obviously in this video I've just tried this blusher here, but these 3 here are the sort of shades that I normally go for. I don't tend to go for like bright pinks like that. But yeah, no, I do really like it. I think it's quite a nice subtle colour. I could go more heavy-handed with it, but I've got to be careful with blusher because my cheeks can go quite red and it just looks a right mess if I've just put on too much blusher. So just a nice natural sort of flush to the cheeks is what I go for. Yeah, so far so good. I really like that one. Now on to the Kimchi highlighting palette. You can have a lot of fun with this palette. Absolutely stunning, stunning shades. It depends on what type of makeup you like doing, where you're going, etc. For me personally, yeah, these 3 I wouldn't really use unless it was for an eyeshadow, but these ones are really nice. So what am I going to try today? I'm going to go for that one down there, more of the champagne sort of colour. Using the mirror in the palette, it is really powdery. You might not be able to see. Really powdery. Building it up slowly. Building it up slowly, because what is this drama queen? It is so pretty though, but this is definitely something I'd wear at night. It's just in the corners there. And a little bit there. Just lightly blend that in. I do this all the time. Just softens it. That is quite a highlight. Glowing! Glowing! It is really pretty though, I do really like it. So, half and half palette for me. Not everything I like in there. What I've tried in this video, I do really like. Okay, so now on to the eyeshadow palette. And this is a Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. And this is Nude 16 colour. And these shades here. So gorgeous, gorgeous shades if you love your nudes, that is. Really lovely. Using the shade down here, it's called Delicate. And using that as a base shade. Gonna, oh, look at that. Look at that. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. Normally, when it comes to base shades, they don't always stand out unless it's white, but white is just really, really harsh. This is the perfect colour. So that's going to really nicely highlight under my brows there. It stands out, doesn't it? I'm just using a clean brush just to blend out the edges. We'll start off with a black down here. Okay, I've got a little rounded flat brush there. I just want to create like a guide at the minute. A lot of people are intimidated by black eyeshadows because you can make a mess, and you can make a flipping bad mess if your eye look goes wrong. But it depends on the formula. So far I am loving this. There's no fallout. It is a really, really nice black. Filling in my under eye and my lash area with a shadow there. Now the clean brush, just smoke that out a little bit. I will be going over with a brown to soften it. Okay, using a thinner brush now, I'm going to wing out the sides. In a corner. So going for this brown here, which is called Warm and Cozy, going back to the same brush that I used for the black, I'm just going to go on top of the black but slightly below. So using a really thin fine liner, I'm going to sharpen up the edges of the black. I'm going to go for all or nothing up here. Start off in my crease, bringing it over. And bringing it up. There, I will go in with the darker shade to intensify it. Using the Warm and Cozy that I used underneath my eyes. Same brush. The eyeshadows are gorgeous shades, really nice and easy to blend as well. Yeah, I'm really, really impressed. And I believe this palette costs £10 if you were to buy it on its own. Using a smaller brush, same shade, Warm and Cozy. Just gonna deepen up there. I'm going to go for polished. No, I don't want too much. Just a tiny, tiny bit. Because I do want the emphasis on this makeup look to be the underneath. I didn't think this looked through. I've got a liquid eyeliner here. And I don't want to use a liquid eyeliner. No, I'm not going to use it. I am not going to use it. So yeah, we've got a Nabla liquid eyeliner. It's gorgeous. It's a black brush liquid eyeliner. So I'll do that another time. I've got a Rodial Smoky Black Eyeliner pen. So I'm just going to line my waterline. And bring it down onto my lower lashes. Going back to the powder puff that I used to set my under eyes, not applying any more powder, just lightly tap under there. This eyeshadow palette is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. I really, really like it. It's got a great mix of shades there, and I'm so impressed with this base shade. Really impressed with it. The black as well, really easy to apply, not a lot of fallout. You have to tap your brush before you apply it to your eyes. But no, I am really impressed. Definitely, definitely recommend this palette. I forgot to use the Made by Mitchell eyeshadow brush. This is the ME3 eyeshadow brush, and that would have been gorgeous for going underneath there with a brown. Can you see the stains? That is from the Makeup Academy, the liquid blush, which I'm not going to be using in this video because it's a right mess. I know this is a good brush. I know it is. I like the shape of it and everything. Next we got mascara by Inglot, and this is False Lash Effect Mascara. Never used any products from this brand before. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go. Now my lashes are short, thin, straight, not great at all. My lashes are lengthened. They're not clumpy, they're really nice and black. Yeah. Can you see there? Okay. You can hardly see the lashes on the bottom. I'll apply more afterwards. What's this False Lash Effect Mascara? Yeah. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it. Now on to false lashes, and these are by Susan Jackson, and we've got premium lashes, lightweight with an invisible band, which is what I love, and Alex. Absolutely beautiful lashes. I love the fact that they wing out at the sides there, but I'm going to have to chop them off because my eyes are quite small. Just to give you an idea of how much I've taken off. So this one is my new length. Just waiting for glue to dry, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like on. So my lashes are applied. They are very fluttery. I've cut them down to be like 3/4 length ones. So because my eyes are quite small, yeah, if I go for full ones all the way over, it just does not suit me whatsoever, especially with the winged out makeup underneath my eyes, having something that elongates the outer corners on top. I just think it just looks really nice. So yeah, they are huge. But they're pretty. They are really pretty. I'm really happy. They feel really comfortable as well because they are so thin. So now onto lips. So there's 3 products left, and I'm not going to use this because I don't like it at all. This is by Soda, and this is a lip gloss, We Got You Babe, and in shade a Diamond Sugar. I'll just swatch up my hand just in case you haven't seen my last video. It's very, very, very shimmery, gold shimmery. I just think on someone of my age, it's not a good look at all, so I'll be passing it on to whoever wants it. So we're left with a lip liner and a nude stick liquid glaze. And it's stunning. It is absolutely stunning. This is a little bit too dark, so I'm going to fill my lips in, but I'm going to blend it with my finger to soften it. But we have got a Rust Nude Lip Liner by Cash Beauty. I'm just going to buff that into my lips. It looks nice. It's just giving me a slight outline there. It is dark, but with a nudie lip colour. I'm sure that it will look lovely afterwards. So there's that. Oh. Oh. I love this. Ooh, it's got like a peppermint scent. Is it a plumping one? It says Lip Glaze is a moisturising lip oil with a non-sticky shine infused with lip plumping peptides, hydrating shea, cocoa and avocado butters in perfect nude shades. Yeah. That is really pretty. I love the colour. It feels amazing on my lips. I think this nude stick product was the most expensive product in the whole box. I think it's £24. But yeah, it is gorgeous. It is really lovely. I love this shade. So those are all the products that are inside the new Beauty Bay Guest List Makeup Bundle beauty box. Overall, I am really happy I went for this box. I haven't tried the eyeliner, but I will do. Pass on the shimmery lip gloss, and I'm going to get rid of the MUA, the cheek blush, because it's just a complete and utter mess and it's staining everything in my box, so I'm just going to get rid of it, unfortunately. What do you think of the products in this box? Have you bought this box for yourself? Have you had a play around yet? Or are you watching this thinking, actually Claire, now that I've seen this video, I've decided not to go for it? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.